Does your family love drinking filtered water? But do you have concerns about the condition of the filters and how often they should be changed? The LG Filtered Water Dispenser has a 3-stage filtration system to help remove water impurities. And it includes a filter change alert function that lights up when you need to contact an LG service technician for a scheduled maintenance visit to carry out internal cleaning and filter changes. Drink fresh, filtered water every day in the knowledge that your dispenser is regularly maintained and your filters are changed as needed.